How to copy your Audiomack link. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to copy your Audiomack link. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can download Audiomack on Google Play Store and App Store, or you can use the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing you need to do is go to your profile. Just click this icon right here on the top right corner. Then on the settings, just scroll down until you find this option. It says share profile. Then after clicking that, just click copy link right here. And after you're done with that, as you can see, the link is copied to your clipboard. Then you can just share it to your social media account. And yeah, that's it. That's how you do it. That's how you can copy your Audiomack link. And also that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.